Who's excited?
Me!
Yeah, see, John is all ready. Good morning, welcome back to our channel. A beautiful day in Hamilton. So today we're gonna take a road trip to Raglan Beach. Okay, I'll see you soon.
It takes about 40 minutes to get to Raglan from Hamilton. It's the closest beach to us, so we're super excited. Raglan Beach!
Oh my goodness, are we cold?
What did he do?
Is he turning over?
Yeah, it is. What are you eating, babe?
Big Mac.
I got the plain quarter pounder. It's okay.
Pointons.
Yeah. We're gonna go get some dinner and we'll see you then. Hey dear.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Today right now we're at the Hong Kong takeaway.
Waiting for our food.
Yeah.
Chicken, girls. I'll do your rice.
I gotta try this one. They were saying that on the website, this is our first time trying this Chinese takeaway place, and when I saw the reviews on the web on Google, they were talking about, one review was talking about the eggplant, and I love eggplant, so got that. And apparently you eat it with rice. It's just eggplant, that's onions and carrots and like some sauce, I don't know, but it's a little bit spicy apparently.
There you go, it's okay.
That's good size?
Yeah.
We're just getting
Wongs Fried Chicken, but we call it chicken nibbles, so
You stop me out. No,
there you go.
This one is a few hours. Oh, my soaking.
Mm. It's so nice.
These dumplings are so nice.
It's nice.
And the ones make it really better as well.
There's definitely chili in there.
What's the sauce?
I don't know.
What's that?
Yeah. It's definitely a good buy. We got the chicken nibbles from Wongs Fried Chicken.
Where's your brother?
I don't want to play.
You got the dumplings. It's pork. It's pork. Yeah. Dumplings really good.
It's the bomb right here. Chicken nibbles.
Yeah.
They put eggplant there. Is it just eggplant and
Oh, that dumpling is so good. When she said it was gonna be the soup is gonna be a little bit sour, I was thinking, oh, probably not. I'm gonna change my mind, but man, I'm so glad I did. Eggplants would have to be a 9 out of 10. I haven't had any of this, so, and I don't have any more room in my stomach for that. So I'll leave this for Shane and the girls to rate. The fried rice, that was really good. It's got a little bit of nutty flavor in it, which makes it really nice and like unique. I'll rate that 9. The dumplings, 10 out of 10. So good, amazing, absolutely loved it. The nibbles, as always, it's Wong's Fried Chicken, so that's always a 10 out of 10 for me.
see, I'll rate the eggplant 8, sweet and sour pork 8, rice 8.
What about this one? Was that nice?
That was quite nice. Okay, that's a 9.
Is it?
Yeah. That'll be a 9 out of 10 as well.
Nice. What about you, Nilla?
I rate this a 10 out of 10.
The fried rice?
Yeah.
Have you had any dumplings? No?
It's so nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I rate the dumplings a 10 out
Let
of
me
10.
try one.
Yeah. I have tried this one.
Okay. What about this one?
haven't tried that.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
What?
I'll give that an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
And just like the Wongs, 10 out of 10.
Oh, it's so good.
I rate the fried rice 9 out of 10. I rate the dumplings 10 out of 10. And this one right here, I rate that a 7 out of 10.
Which one?
This one.
Egg fouillon.
And definitely the Wongs are 10 out of 10.
Have you had any of the eggplants?
Oh no, I haven't tried these both.
I'm gonna try these two. Okay.
I would try this, but my stomach doesn't feel like I feel like it.
Yeah, I am quite full.
And I dumped out of the water. At first, I thought I was just gonna go to the little girl, but it was just trying to play with me.
Yeah, something like that.
It's almost like a floaty.
Side surf in the world. Probably Google it up. Probably show up. Yeah, they got the.
Yeah.
surfing top.
It's kind of weird that we didn't really have to eat.
So I'll probably take some for my lunch tomorrow. I'm just gonna.
Not so long.
Not the wongs.
Well,
Yeah, you can have the wongs. I think I'll take my leftover sweet and sour pork, maybe a little bit of egg.
oh, sorry. Was it the chili?
Not the dumplings on his hand.
Sorry, Bubba.
Hey, not the dumplings.
Because there was so much left over from our dinner, we've just made a plate for my brother that lives not far away from us. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Leo, bye. Hey guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. First to 3.
How about me?
Yeah, first to 3 for all of us. King, come on.
1 to me.
King, come on. King, come on. Ah,
2 to me.
try and play it twice.
It's only 3 options now.
King, come on. Eat one. King, come on. No,
Got
it's
you.
not.
Yeah, good job.
My chocolates. Yee.
Hey, I want to get
What's wrong when I first? I think, what's that one?
I like flakes.
You know, it's making this water, you know. You can watch out.
Yummy.
Me. Oh yeah, you get it now. You can just watch my fingers. Okay. Okay. The fingers they eat and the chocolate.
Leo seems to like that chocolate.
This chocolate when I was in years have you get that on my cage. That mommy wants to see. I said I don't want to see that.
Oh.